tips I didn't do. One. Oh, of course my wallet would just fall. One, I would put in, just because you might need to boil water if like, oh god, I need, another way to boil water anyway. Which I would do a thing of, anyway, a little bit of oil, actually. Yeah. Another tip that I would do, water bottle. This one fits this. I don't know what, I have no idea what size this is actually. But it's supposed to be a gray man type thing. Oh, should I be, see that right there? Should I be worried about that? Because I have another one if I had to. This is a basic, if this doesn't open, I'm going to be pissed off. There you go. Okay. Well, the mouse, you can, no one's going to bat an eyelash. Because guess what? No one's going to know what's in your bag. No one. None. No one. So, yeah, that's just my addition to this kit. And I think I'll be ready. I think this would have been way too big. This is more of a gem thing. It's 44 ounces, which would be... Oh, wow, how come I can do this? My phone sucks when it comes to zooming in. So, yeah. The kit, the Urban 5C kit is being uploaded right now. So, well, it has been uploaded after I do this video. This is more of a gem type thing, so I can go with that one. I was thinking of putting this in here, but it's like, it'll go, so, this is Crystal Geyser. If you do an, alkaline vegan diet, this is actually approved. Yeah. Got more stuff for the upcoming storm on Wednesday. Of course, really, right? By the way, if you think, I just gotta get political right here. If you think inflation helps the economy, you're an idiot. But yeah, anyway, those are my bonus tips. You're supposed to be a gray man. No one's supposed to know what's in your kit. Like, okay, because as you see, look, it looks like it's a regular book bag for a kid. Like, I'm carrying my kid's book bag because they forgot it at school or whatever. A grid down situation, I would put some food in here too. Like right here or whatever. If you eat, wait, do I have a smaller one? Wait, where's the smaller peanut butter? Huh. Oh, here we go. So, yeah. One thing I would put in here is peanut butter. This is for if the lights go out at my aunt's house. Because I'm sure not staying in that freaking vehicle. The crunchy is it for me. I like the smooth because it's quicker. How much? They both have the same thing. But yeah, that is my bonus tip. You can also put in some chicken packs, tuna packs, the rice bowl thing, the bowl things I showed y'all. So yeah. Anyway, my bonus tips. Been Postbox OP. Help me survive in the wasteland.